Hey there, visionaries! Welcome back to GEM, where we transform dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into something special, combining the ancient Japanese concept of Ikigai with vision boarding. Ready to discover your life's sweet spot? Let's begin. Vision boards are powerful tools for manifestation, but when we add Ikigai, that's when the magic happens. Ikigai is about finding the perfect intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Let me show you how to weave this wisdom into your vision board in 5 easy steps. Step 1. The Heart's Whisper. Find a quiet spot with your journal and ask yourself, what makes my heart sing? Write down everything that brings you joy, from small pleasures to big passions. Maybe you love teaching children, or perhaps you get lost in creating digital art. Whatever it is, let it flow onto paper. These are the things you love, the first circle of your Ikigai. Step 2. Your Superpower Inventory. Think about what you're naturally good at. What compliments do you often receive? What tasks feel effortless to you but challenging to others? Are you an amazing listener, a problem solver, a creative genius? List these talents. They're your second Ikigai circle. Pro tip: ask friends and family what they think your superpowers are. Sometimes others see our gifts more clearly than we do. Step 3. The World's Call. Look around. What does your community, city, or the world need? Maybe you've noticed gaps in education, healthcare, or technology. Perhaps there's a need for more beauty, laughter, or connection. These needs form your third Ikigai circle. Take a moment to consider how your unique gifts could serve others. Sometimes the biggest needs aren't the most obvious ones. Step 4. The Value Exchange. How can you be compensated for your gifts? Look at your previous lists and brainstorm ways to create value people would pay for. Your love for teaching could become an online course, or your artistic abilities could lead to commissioned work. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to monetize your passions. Step 5. The Sacred Assembly. Here's the fun part. Gather your vision board materials, magazines, prints, quotes, and create 4 sections representing each Ikigai circle. As you arrange images and words, look for intersections. Where do your passions meet your skills? Where do the world's needs align with what you can offer? The magic happens in the middle, that sweet spot where all circles overlap. That's your Ikigai, your reason for being, visualized on your board. Your Ikigai vision board isn't just a collage, it's a powerful tool for aligning your life's purpose with your actions. Keep it visible and let it guide your choices. Remember, your Ikigai may evolve as you grow, and that's perfectly okay. Stay true to yourself while remaining open to possibilities. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to GEM for more life-changing content. Share this video with someone searching for their purpose, and drop a comment telling me which section of your Ikigai vision board excites you most. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep growing. This is GEM, where purpose meets possibility. See you in the next video.